Alright, day 27. Can't believe we made it this far. We only have 4 days left. It's going to be a little weird, I think, when this is over. Just started thinking about it today. I was like, I'm just on this crazy schedule, and then once it stops, I don't know. Haven't really thought about it, hadn't had the time to, but I can't really imagine slowing down because, I don't know, everything in life's just kind of like a muscle, right? Like something could seem difficult or impossible, and you do it 6 months, a year later, that's it. It's the new normal. You're just creating new normals, and created a new normal. So yeah, gonna have to figure out something else to do, but that's the fun part. Today, extremely humid. Body was sore. Couldn't really think of any tricks. I was just out of it. Started kicking around fakie big spin to switch back nose blunt, and I could see it was there, but I don't know. I could see myself also getting lost trying it for hours. So I moved over to the hip, started trying switch frontside 360 kickflip. Nope. Okay. Kickflip back.
Whoa! So close.
A couple down, but my legs were just killing me, and I don't know. Once your legs start getting sore, you start losing it. So I made a move over to the mini ramp with no tricks in mind, just kicking around anything at this point because it was getting dark. Didn't think we were gonna get anything. I randomly just started trying fakie big flip, pivot fakie. Yeah, got into the first one. I think it was like 5 minutes later. Ended up landing one somehow. Which I didn't think we were getting the trick today at that point, but we got one. And that's it. 4 tricks left. Kind of running out of ideas though, so if you guys have any good ideas, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 28.